Hey everyone, it's your guy Pacey AI here. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing AI news straight from the tech world. Altair just announced they're bringing their cutting-edge AI and simulation tech to Hannover Messe 2025, and trust me, this is huge for industries everywhere. From digital twins to AI-powered engineering, they're showing how AI isn't just the future, it's right now. Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss a beat. Altair's lineup at Hannover Messe is packed with game-changing innovations. Think AI-augmented simulations that slash product development time, AI agents that make autonomous decisions, and digital twins so advanced they're basically virtual clones of real-world systems. Oh, and they're even showcasing a case study with C&H Industrial, where their AI tools help create a digital twin that dramatically cut computational costs and optimize workflows. Talk about a productivity powerhouse. This isn't just tech for tech's sake. Altair's solutions are transforming industries. Imagine smart manufacturing systems that predict maintenance needs before breakdowns happen, or AI fabric that redefines how businesses handle data. Their AI-powered engineering tools are letting designers iterate faster than ever, and those knowledge graphs, they're making complex data understandable for everyone. Plus, Altair's experts are dropping knowledge in speaking sessions about AI agents and anomaly detection. This is the future of work, folks. Introducing Ninja Chat. So Ninja Chat is a platform that allows you to use multiple different AI models to do different tasks. So if we look at some of the features, so we have the AI playground, we also have AI images, chat with PDF, writing library, and then we have the different AI models you can use. So you have Chat GPT, you have Claude, you have Llama, Perplexity, Gemini, and your favorite, Grok. When you go to the writing library, we have some different tools that we can actually use to improve our writing. Another very cool feature is chatting with PDF. This is great for if you are reading a long PDF and you need answers right away. Also, if you want to generate image, there are two image generation models. So you have Stable Diffusion 3 and you have the newest Flux AI Pro model, which is the #1 image generation model out there. And then finally, you have the AI Playground, which is a feature that allows you to compare prompts from the different models that are on the platform. So if I decide to ask the question, let's say I say, give me a breakdown, so it will write out the response for each of these models, and then I can compare the response and determine which one I think is great. So definitely check this out, Ninja Chat. Link is in the description to this one. What's next? Altair is pushing boundaries with AI agents that act independently and AI fabric that's reimagining enterprise operations. Their focus on sustainability and speed means industries can innovate faster while staying eco-friendly. Events like Hannover Messe prove AI isn't just a buzzword, it's the backbone of tomorrow's tech. Whether you're in manufacturing, healthcare, or beyond, Altair's showing how AI can supercharge your goals. That's it for today's AI deep dive. If you're as hyped as I am, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you're the first to know when I drop new content. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and keep crushing it with Pacey AI.